Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Insider. Today's video I'm going to show you what is inside a sports camera.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink.
First I will open the box and see what is inside. Alright, first of all I have the camera here. It's inside this waterproof case which you can use under the water as well. Then I have the power cable. Then I have several mounts which you can use for several locations. As an example, like on a motorbike helmet and a motorbike handle. And this mount can use inside. This mount can use with the selfie stick as well. We have another small mount here. This mount I can use to mount the camera into a motorbicycle handle. I will show you how it happens. Here I have the operations manual of the camera. So this is the camera that I am going to dismantle today. Here I have the power button of the camera to switch on the camera and to switch off. Here I have the slot to connect the power cable and another slot to put in the memory card. And this one is to capture videos and pictures. Now let's dismantle and see what is inside the camera. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel. If you like to see the inside of any other item, please let me know in the comments below. So that's all for today's video. See you with another insider video. Cheers guys.
Catch 'em all.